destroy him like this.
See, there you go. Bang, there's the body shot, which has just stopped him in his tracks and in the head. Two tremendous punches to finish the job, and full credit to Mac there. I mean, his wits are about him, he's in pain. You know, I'm sure the ribs will be broken there. That man is in severe pain. His head's clear, despite the fact that he took a tremendous shot to the head. But that's the body damage. Ribs, at least a couple of ribs broken, I'm sure, with that. Tremendous punching from Froch. This man, Froch, just seems to be getting better and better.
Well, he really is. You know, he wants that trilogy, doesn't he? Lucian Bute, well, I wonder if he wants any part of that rematch that is talked about in March. What's Lucian Bute doing sitting in Montreal watching this and thinking? What's Andre Ward thinking? What about Mikkel Kessler?
Yeah,
on this form, Jim, Froch is going to be a match for any of them, even Ward.
Well, I feel that the Super Six took a lot out of some of the fighters that were in it, but I think Carl Froch became a better fighter through that. Both him and Andre Ward, I think he's boxing better.